Good morning. It's a little chilly here outside St. Louis. I just wanted to tell you something I was thinking about. You know, this is an ideal opportunity to learn something about your body and food. So what I'd like to ask you to do is make a list. Check it twice. No, that's a joke. Okay, so just to make a list and list the things that you ate during this time period, you know, with the holidays, that were different than your normal diet. You know, you went off and you did a little treat here and there. List those different foods and look at the difference between your normal diet and the things that you had during the holiday. We know it's going to be different, and I don't want to chastise you about that. This is not what this is about. But I want you then the second list is to make reviewing your body, going over the things in your body, like go from your head. Is your head sharp? Is your mind sharp? Are you awake? Do you feel good? Do you have a headache? Or is it instead, you know, feeling real frumpy and awful? Is there depression where you normally are very positive? So see what those things are. And sometimes it is related, oftentimes it is related to food. Then go over your joints and how do they feel? Is your back hurting? Are your knees sore? Are your shoulders bad? Do you have like stiffness in your joints and everything? Again, sometimes due to a change in diet. So then look at your gut. Boy, that is the one that tells all. You can have all kinds of rumblings in your stomach and anything below. You can have a lot of indigestion and belching. You can have what I just heard this term over the holidays. What was that? Let me think. Oh, pooter tail. So, you know, if you have a lot of gas, then I guess, oops, a polite way of saying it is that you have pooter tail. Anyway, look at those things. And if that's how you're feeling, it may be and is more often related to the food that you ate through the holiday. So once you see what that is, then you can recognize and go, oh, okay, well, I knew it wasn't good for me, but now I know what it does. Just take the time to think about it a little bit. And I think you'll be glad that when the time is over and you're going to get back on the wagon or back in the saddle again and try to get your diet rolling the way it should be so that you feel good, so that your mind is sharp and your joints don't hurt and your abdominal cavity and all that stuff in there from your belly to your derriere is okay. So, lessons learned never hurts. Thanks and Happy New Year.